Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and I first want to start off by thanking you guys for 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me and I really appreciate it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this amazing face mask. And when I tell you guys, this is my go-to. I love this mask. This mask will not only help with acne, it will tighten up your skin and it will tighten up your pores in your face. So if you want to know how to make this face cream, you gotta keep watching. So first you want to just get some regular aspirin, and you want to put 3 aspirin inside of a bowl. Just going to just put a tiny bit of water in, like a teaspoon or so, and that's going to start breaking that aspirin down like this. And this aspirin is going to help with the inflammation of your face and the acne on your face. So now that that's all mixed up, next you want to add in 1 egg white. And you can separate it any kind of way you want to. Right. Then you want to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of organic honey. And that honey is going to help moisturize your face, and that egg is what's going to tighten up that skin and close up those pores. So now you want to mix this up until it becomes stiff peaks. Alright, so this is done. So this is what you're looking for. You see how those peaks stay up like that? And it's to the consistency that it's not spilling out of your bowl. It's kind of solid in there. That's what you're looking for. Now that I have this made up, I'm going to show you guys how to use this mask. Alright guys, so I'm going to use the camera as my mirror. So you want to take some of that mask and you just want to rub it on your face like this. And you want to get your neck too, because a lot of times people focus on their face and forget their neck, and you can show a lot of signs of aging on your neck. So you want to make sure that you're getting your neck. And you could just use your hands. You don't have to use anything fancy. And you want to make sure you're getting it up under your eyes. And that's going to help tighten that skin under your eyes as well if you have puffiness. Make sure I'm getting my forehead. Alright, so now that I got this all over my face, you want to let this dry. So after this dries, I'll be back to show you what the next step is. Alright guys, now that this is dry, you want to go ahead and do it again. So you're just going to repeat that process of putting this mask all over your face. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll be back. Alright guys, now that this is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off with some warm water. So you don't want to use hot water, use warm water to rinse it off. So you might want to just leave the cloth on your face for a little while just to soften it up. And then after it's a little soft, then go ahead and start wiping. Now that I'm finished washing my face with the warm water, you want to go ahead and wash your face with cold water. Alright guys, now that my face is still wet, I'm going to go in with some organic sunflower oil, which I love to use. It's packed in vitamin E. And it locks that moisture in your face, and it also absorbs into the skin really well. That's it guys, that's all you have to do. And this mask is going to clear any acne off your face. It's going to firm your face up and leave it nice and supple like this. I hope this mask works as good for you as it does for me, because it really works good for my skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, because it really helps me out. Share and subscribe and put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.